Hi students, how are you? I am fine and I hope that you will be fine. Dear student, in previous class we have learned about the place value chart of international place value and national place value chart. Today we will read again up about the place value chart of national and international. Dear students, one thing first we have to learn that you have seen the comma in the large numbers. So dear student, today we will read about where do we use comma and what are the points where we put the commas. Yes student, in national number system we will add the comma, first comma after 3 digits, that means after hundreds, and after that we use comma every 2 digits, okay dear student, every 2 digits. Yes, but in national place value chart, in national numbers in international place value chart, in international number system we use comma in every 3 digits, okay dear students, every 3 digits. Okay, first 3 digits in national number system, and after that after 2 digits. But in international number system we use comma in after every 3 digits. Okay dear students, now we are going to start the question of this lesson. Okay dear students, that means exercise 3A. Exercise 3A in large system we will start our words. That means at first this number say that write short form, that means 3A. Exercise is 3A, and first question is first question is write in the short form. Short form means we have to add the numbers and write in a short form. You know very well expanded form and short form in previous, that means in 3-4 class. So dear student, today we will write here that first A question. Question number A is $30,000 plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 8. Yes dear student, we know we add comma after 3 digits at first in national number system, and international system we use comma in every 3 digits. So dear student, now at first we have to read about the national system. We use here comma and here also. We do not have to use here comma because there are only 3 digits, 2 digits and 1 digit. So we don't have to use comma here. Okay dear students, how can we write these numbers into short form? It is a process. So first we will write here 30,000 already written here, we have to add 6,000. 6,000. After that 900. After that 20. And after that 8. Yes, dear student. 8, 2, 9, 6, 3. It makes 36,928. 36,000, that means 30,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 36,000. 36,000. 36,000 plus 900 is equal to 3,000. 36,900. After that 20 and 8. That means 28. So here it is completed. 36,928. All the questions are same. The largest number in this question is E number question. Question number E. And it is necessary to you that you have to complete it in your notebook. Okay, dear student. Question number E is the largest. In this number, $60 crores. $60 crores we use here 8 zeros. How many zero? 8. So we will use here comma after the first 3 digit, after that 2 digits, after that 2 digits. Okay, dear student. After that 4 crores. 4, and we use here 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 8 digit number. It is 9 digit number. So we use here comma. At first 1, 10, 100. After that 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and after that crore. 20 lakhs. How many zero we use here? 6 zero. 20 lakhs. We use here comma 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. After that 0. We use here plus 0. That means there is no any numbers in the left place. Okay, dear student. After that 30,000. How many zero we use here? 4 zeros. After that 7,000. After that in 100 place there is also 0. That means no any digit is in the place of 100. After that 10 plus 6. What is the short form of these numbers? First we will add 60 crores, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. Okay, dear student. After that we use 4 crores. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. After that, we use here 20 lakhs. How many lakhs? 20 lakhs. But in the place of thousand lakhs, we use here 20 lakhs. 20. That means ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. In the place of lakh, there is 0. So we use here 0. After that, the 10,000 place, 30,000, ones, tens, 100, thousands and 10,000s. After that, the 1,000 place, 7,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Again, the place of 100, there is no any number, there is no any digit, so we use here 0. And after 10 and 6, we use here 10 and after that 6. It makes 6, 1, 0, 7, 3, 0, 2, 4, 6. 64 crores, 20 lakhs, 37,016. So dear student, I hope that you have read about it, you have learned about it, you will complete in this number system in your notebook. And after that, dear student, it is short form, and after that we will read about the expanded form. We will read about the expanded form. So dear student, I will write few questions here and you have to complete. The expanded form. Expanded means to split the numbers in their according to their place value. Okay, dear student. So here is written 43,700. Second number question it is. So it is said that write in expanded, E-X-P-E-N-D-E-D, E-X-P-E-N-D-E-D, P-A-N-D-E-D, E-X-P-A-N-D-E-D, expanded form. Expanded means split, S-P-L-I-T, split, अलग अलग करके लिखना है. Okay, dear, expanded form. The first number is 43,759. That means 43,759. How can we expand it? At first, we have right here the place of ones. It is 9. Okay, dear student. After that, the tens place. That means we use here 50. After that, the 100 place, 7. The place value of 7 is 700. The place value of 5 is 50. The place value of 9 is 9. After that, the place value of 3 is 3,000. And the place value of 4 is 40,000. Okay, dear student. So we will show the numbers in expanded form by using this system. That means we write here 40,000 plus 3000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 9. It is the expanded form of 43,759. So dear students, last topic in today's last topic is write in figure. You know very well how can we write the numbers in figure and figures into numbers. So dear student, it said the write in figures. The numbers you have to write in figures. That means numbers name. That means numbers. Sorry, write in figure. That means you have to write in words. Write in words of the number. Sorry, you have to explain. You have to write in this words in the figure. That means at first 24,000. It is written here 20 TWENTY 24,000. $24,300. And 68. And okay, dear students, how can we write here in figure? We will read it. That means 24,000 300 and 68. Okay, dear student. So dear student, and last topic is write in the numbers name. Write the numbers name. Write the numbers name. Suppose we will write here 73,463. Okay, dear student, you have to write here 73,400 and 63. Okay, dear student. Now this is your homework. That means you have to complete exercise 3A. And today we have learned about the number system, using of comma, extended form, short form, figures, and we have to write these numbers in words. So dear students, you have to complete and you have to preserve it. We will meet soon. Thank you. Stay